Hello guys, so in this video I'll be sharing with you my view on the Nifty market, what has happened and what you can expect or what you can do in the coming weeks. So you can see the chart here. Nifty has corrected by more than 8% in the past few weeks. As the news of Corona pops up, our market seems to correct. Now you have to understand that this is totally fine. Okay, market does not go all the time up, but there are always some corrections like this which makes the market much stronger. Now you can also see in the past that market has made some very good corrections. For example, we can see here that there was a good rise and all of a sudden the market corrected by 5-6%, and same thing here also. We can see that the market has corrected by more than 14% in a span of 2 months. Okay, so what you can do is you can just backtest the Nifty chart and you will understand how the market usually moves. You can also see the heat map here. You can see that companies like JSW Steel has corrected by more than 7%, and companies like Bajaj Finance has corrected by more than 4%, which is huge. So what can you expect in the coming days? Now first understand what has happened. So let me just apply my moving averages, and what we can see here, you can see that Nifty has broken the 50 EMA and it came to take support from 100 EMA, and in the last trading day Nifty has also broken the 100 EMA. So what can happen now? Well, there are three things that can happen. First thing is it can take support from the 100 EMA and it can go up. That's the best case. Second thing is that it can, consolidate in the same range and then give a move. And the worst chance is that it can fall further and take support from the 200 EMA. The question comes, what can we do next? Well, agree or disagree, we have already entered a bull market. So there is a very unlikely chance that the market will correct by say 40 or 30%. Okay, that's very unlikely to happen. What can happen is that Nifty can give a correction of 10-20% and then continue the run. So what I suggest you to do is to avoid long swing positions when there is uncertainty in the market for short term, and the best thing you can do is to invest for long term. Look out for stocks that are in their 100 or 200 EMAs and also have good fundamentals. Now you can buy this stock in the dip and hold for long term. Now remember, as I told you that we are in a bull run. Okay, 2 to 3 years down the line, the market will be performing much better than what it's now. So to conclude, for short term, do not look for trading opportunities. Instead, look for some long term investments that you can make when the market is in the dip. Now, if you want to know which stocks that you can look out for, then let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video for that. And thanks for watching this video. If you found this informative, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.